How to elongate your upper and medium back? You only need an edge, guys, of a sofa, as I have, or a threshold, or a table, whatever you've got around your house. You want to press with your palms onto it in here. Take a step back. Lean a bit forward, bend your knees, and slightly bend your elbows as well. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, you want to allow your body to sink in. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. If you're doing it first time in the day, you will definitely hear and feel the crack from the cervical up here all the way down, even to the lumbar spine. Now, if I'm going to measure myself, I'm definitely at least 2 centimeters taller, right? Don't forget to follow, like, and share the live for many tips like this.